السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما. So we were doing exercises related to Al-Fi'l al-Madi. So there is a discussion on the topic of al-Maf'ul bihi. So Brother Ayman, we were discussing about the some of the points regarding maf'ul bihi with respect to zamair, and especially the zamair of mukhatab and mutakallim. Are you with us?
जी उस्ताद.
So you can see over here there are some examples. I'm going to highlight them. You see, this is what if we take it without maf'ul bihi or maf'ulun bihi, it is a zaraba zaidun. Zaraba Zaidun. But uh, the writer intends to tell Zaid hit you or beat you. Now, you is what? A Zamir. And in Arabic, that is represented with Kaf and it is Maftuh. So it is Zaraba Zaidun. Now, what should be the position of Kaf? That represents you. So this principle says or tells us that such a zamir is to be attached with verb. It has to come in between the verb and the file. So it would be zarabaka zaidun. Likewise, if say for example, you are saying that zaidun hit me, and over there we have to use Noonul Viqaya. Noonul Viqaya. We'll go to that as well. But over here, I'm just going to tell you the example. Zarabani Zaidun. Zaidun hit me. Zaid hit me or beat me. So that will also come in between the verb and the file. But over here, the difference is this, that ya mutakallim is to be attached with the verb with the help of Noonul Viqaya. Is that clear, brother?
जी उस्ताद.
But in other cases, like there is a siga of mutakallim, wahid mutakallim, like zarabtu. Now, definitely, tu is what file. So now the zamir would be attached with zarabtuka, zarabtuhu, right? Who of ghaib, and zarabtukum, zarabtuki, etc., etc. But in the case when the fail and file, there is a file and we have to bring a zamir of mukhatab, then it is going to be attached with the verb. So in other examples, you can see over here, now the sigas of wahid mutakallim, sa'atuhu, ra'ituhu. Now that is attached after file, and file is what? Tu. And in other cases, if we talk about ya mutakallim, we are just talking about ya mutakallim, not jama mutakallim ya. Like the doctor checked me. The verb for it, fahasa. Fahasat tabibu. But if you want to attach ya mutakallim, he checked me, it will be fahasani at-tabibu. Now you see, ya has been attached with the verb, but there's a noon between them, and this noon is known as noonul viqaya. Okay, and ya mutakallim is what? Maf'ulun bihi, and at-tabibu is fa'il. Likewise, if we talk about antum, antum, yani jama mukhatab, jama mudhakkar mukhatab, zarabtum, shahadtum. Now, if we want to attach ya mutakallim with such sigas as maf'ulun bihi, then there are two things to remember. Number one, after zarabtum, wa is to be added after Zarabtum, wow is to be added, and ya is going to be added by adding nunul wiqaya. So it will be zarabtumuni. It was zarabtum. You.
Ustad, sorry, I missed this Darabtumuni. My connection got cut. Can you please repeat it, Ustad? I missed it.
Okay. I was discussing the point that if there is Jama Muzakkar Mukhatab, and when we talk about Jama Muzakkar Hadir Mukhatab, that is what? Hazir and Mukhatab both are same. I'm using twice. So it would be Zarabtum. But when we want to means add Ya Mutakallim, we are supposed to add Wow and Nunul Wiqaya before making Ya Mutakallim as maf'ul bihi. So it will be from zarabtum, it will be zarabtumuni. But in other cases, if we are having any zamir of ghaib, then only waw would be added, like they saw him. Shahadtumuhu. Okay, you all saw him. Shahadtumuhu. So over there, nunul wiqaya is not needed. So two things. First of all, if you're bringing uh, any mafulun bihi after jama muzakkar mukhatab, you have to add wow. And if the maful bihi is ya mutakallim, you have to bring nunul wiqaya. So there are two additions. And if we are having any other mafulun bihi like vibe, then only add wow. Is that clear?
Ji, ji.
Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. So we have completed this now, and we are moving towards our exercises. As you know that we did we left some sentences from this exercise. Okay. Sentence number 16. From section sentence number 16 we have to do. Okay. Yes, sister. Go ahead from 16.
So which exercise was this? Was this exercise 12?
Actually, this exercise we did it without recording. So I want to be, if somebody wants to get benefit from this video, so we need to do it again. Only 5 sentences.
We need to do it again, right? Okay. And is it translating it, sir?
Yes,
I'll be
translation.
doing.
Yes,
All right.
translation.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So and it's sentence number 16. Did you say?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Just bear with me.
Or okay, 15 from 15. I think we missed 15 as well. Go from 15. Those people
Okay.
rejected me.
So I remember saying kadhabuni.
Yes.
Is it
Kadzabuni? No, no, no. I think we made correction of this. This is not like that because those people, Murakkabul Ishari is
oh
over
yes,
there.
yes. So it was they accused me of lying.
No, they rejected me. Those people rejected me.
هؤلاء أولئك it starts with أولئك. No?
It starts with فعل الماضي and then يا متكلم and then afterwards مركب الإشاري. You forgot in no time, sister.
Sorry. It
No
starts with كفر, sir. كفر.
كذب.
I did say كذب, sir. Oh, okay. كذب اسم كذب.
Yes.
كذب. I've got a blank mind. So I'm
Brother,
translating.
just a minute. Brother Eman, do you remember this? Because we did it.
I remember, and I wrote Ulaika al-Unasu. Now you're saying we start with Kadhaba, so I'm confused myself.
كذب أولئك
كذبني أولئك الأناس. Brother
Ji,
Eman,
ji, ji, ji.
how you're going to wash
I think I
out
missed
the verb?
Kadhabani. Kadhabani. I wrote it, but I didn't think it's part of it.
كذبني هؤلاء أولئك الأناس. Okay, sister, go to 16.
Right, okay. Did you open up the Quran and read it? هل فتحت القرآن وقرأته؟
आपने is jama.
Oh yes.
You didn't made any changes because you also made the same sentence.
I guess it's good to make the same mistake because we need it for the audience. So
Yes.
did you open the Quran? Okay. هل did you هل
Yes.
فتحتم
هل فتحتم القرآن؟
هل فتحتم القرآن وقرأتموه؟
وقرأتموه. Yes. قرأتموه. Yes, very good. Okay, go ahead. Sister 17.
Let me just make changes to this before I forget. So
You can
right, okay,
correct
listen
it.
to this.
Yes, correct
right, okay. Right, okay, so ذهبت بي والدتي إلى بيت جدتي.
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 Jidda is correct as well, but Jaddati. Jiddati, okay. Jaddati, right? Okay, go ahead. Yes, brother Eman, 18.
جي أستاذ تركنا الوالدان في البيت وخرجا.
في البيت ما شاء الله.
في البيت sorry في البيت وخرجا.
Very good. Okay, 19.
अच्छा هل ضربتموه بلا سبب؟
بلا سبب. هل ضربتموه بلا سبب. Okay, go ahead. 20.
جي من أين هذه الكتب؟ هل أحضرتموه؟
من أين هذه الكتب؟ من أين؟
جي من أين هذه الكتب؟ هل أحضرتموها من المكتبة الكبيرة؟
Very good. Okay. So, sister, you will be making first 5 sentences from these verbs. استيقظ and you have to use it مفرد مذكر غائب and التحق مفرد متكلم. Likewise, everything is written in front of you. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, right, okay, so استيقظ علي قبل صلاة الظهر وذهب إلى الحمام.
Very good.
The next one is
التحق.
التحق. Okay, just bear with me. It's not in the right order, so I just need to see what I've written here. Okay, so this one is okay. التحقت في الجامعة القديمة ورأيت طلابا جددا كثيرا.
Okay, very good. Good. Go ahead. راغبة.
راغبة في
because Raghiba, okay, you have to use right. Fi over there.
راغبة في it's number 3.
Fi can be used before any noun. If you are bringing any verb, means what should I say, رغبت and bringing a file
Right,
because
okay,
mufrad
fine.
muannas ghaib.
Right, okay, so it's so it's رغبت then. Okay, so خديجة رغبت في. Okay, I wasn't sure about this sentence. I think
رغبت
yeah.
خديجة. You must bring file afterwards.
Okay, so
رغبت
رغبت.
خديجة.
Okay, رغبت خديجة. When does the fee come in, sir?
في means في لبس اللباس whatever else.
Oh, okay, في.
في الكتاب.
Can you say في? No, you can't. في تعلم. No, you can't say في. You can't say You can't put a verb after حرف جر.
في تعلم means okay. Hello.